Hey everybody, welcome to the Adventure Jeff 269 channel. I'm Jeff, and this is one of the trails I rode on my summer vacation to the UP in Michigan, Danaher Plains. Super fast trail. This is a dirt highway. Really enjoyed it. Big mix and a big change from what we normally ride, from the tighter, more technical stuff. This video is going to be like a quick trail breakdown. Then people have asked about what phone apps and phone mounts I'm using, so I'll give a quick breakdown there. And then we'll wrap it up. So check out this scenery. Nice open plains, blue skies, lots of green. We got the fall colors now down here, and nice, cool, crisp mornings that we're getting now, not these nice hot summer days. I went on a really cool ride last week with Captain 250FX, and it was super cold in the morning. You can check that video out. Great guy, great group of riders. That was a super good time. And I'll go ahead and break down Danaher Plains for you. So it's about 26 miles, I believe, is what it came out to, and it's 50-inch as designated by the Danaher, but I think it could maybe be 72-inch in certain spots. Super fast, super flowy. On a difficulty scale, I would say a 1 or a 2 out of 10. This would be the trail that I would take newer riders, beginning riders, to just get miles and seat time without getting discouraged, build that muscle memory, get the comfort of the bike, and everybody will have a good time here. I prefer more technical stuff, but still had a super awesome time. You're just flying on the bike. You get to hear it actually sing, work on some different stuff that I don't normally get to work on, and it was great. There was no other people there besides one other couple we met. We chit-chatted with them in the parking lot before we rode. They were actually from Detroit, so a little bit closer to us actually than where we were, both of us, and you'll see them a little later in the video. They were nice folks, but not otherwise no other traffic. I wasn't super worried about oncoming. I was worried about oncoming a little bit because of the speeds that you're going here, but I didn't think there would be too many people out there just because there's nobody out there. So that's that. There's no whoops. The scenery's awesome again. You just go from the woods right out to these plains. It's mostly sand and hard-packed dirt. No ruts, no mud. Nice trail. So I'll break down the phone apps. My girlfriend is riding today in this video with me, but you won't see her. We separated. I just kind of wanted to ride pretty quick and get back to the truck because my dog was in the truck, and we use a couple phone apps so that we can keep track of each other while we're riding separate like that. We use Polaris Ride Command so we can see each other's locations. As long as you have service, that actually works really well. It does consume a decent amount of battery life, so if you're going on a longer ride, more than 4 or 5 hours, you're probably gonna run out of battery unless you got something to charge your phone with. I also use Osmond Plus for a GPS and GPX app. And that's a super good app. You can download offline maps. If something happens, you get tired, you get hurt, bike breaks, you can hop out on the road and use the offline maps to get back to the parking lot, even if you don't have service, which can be an issue in some of the places where good riding trails often are, which is remote. So that's what apps we use to track rides and keep track of each other. I also use a quad lock phone case and mount on a ram ball base. So that's the best combo so far for me. I've used a ton of different mounts, and I prefer the quad lock with the ram ball base.
Need a hand? Need a hand?
No, we're good. She's just stuck.
Oh, I didn't see the winch cable.
Yeah.
If you want to go by, sir, I want to hold you up.
Thank you much. She'll be coming behind me. She's got her own map, so
Okay.
she'll be all right.
All right, back to the ripping. They didn't really seem like they wanted too much help. I didn't want to be intrusive. They had the winch cable and that mud wasn't too bad, so they'll be out of there lickety splits. I did have a quick question. You can see in this video, it's not as good as I've seen it sometimes, but the trees look like they're in rows a little bit. And I was wondering, is that like for farming, or is that some sort of like climate initiative there or something? I was just curious, how does that happen? I see that a little bit more often in the UP than the Lower Peninsula, so if anybody can answer that, go ahead and drop me a comment. I got a ton of videos coming up. I got Red Bridge coming. That was an awesome trail, really north for the Lower Peninsula. The Cabernet Captain 250FX video just came out, so you guys go check that if you haven't. I I got Tin Cup. I got a Kalkaska adventure bike ride. I've got a White Cloud adventure bike ride, and my girlfriend took her XT250 on. A bunch of videos coming out. You guys, if you want to see them, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell if you want notifications of when those rides will be coming out. I appreciate everybody watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time.